Today in our 2017 Toyota Camry, we'll be taking a look at the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero Roof Rack. The part number for our crossbars today is RRRVA 118B-2. For our Rhino-Rack 2500 series legs, we're using RRRLKVA. And for our custom fit kit for our Camry, we're using DK321. The Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero crossbars are an aerodynamic aluminum crossbar that will be perfect for your vehicle's roof. It's going to allow you to carry many roof rack accessories on your vehicle's rooftop. The roof rack system allows for channel mounted accessories. You would just have to remove the weather strip. You can also cut this down to place in between where your channel mount is. It also allows for clamp-on accessories that wrap around your crossbars. The Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero crossbars come in many different lengths. You just want to be sure that they don't extend out past your mirrors. And they have a 165-pound weight capacity. Now here you can see everything that's included with our kit. The only thing that you will need to provide is a flat tape measure or a tape measure of some kind. We have our fit kit pieces here, our clamp and our rubber portion for the bottom. We have the end cap for our crossbar, the covers and the foot pack for our crossbar. We have a lock for the end cap of our crossbar, a key for the end cap of our foot pack, our included torque tool, that tape measure that we've provided, and then of course our crossbar. You can see we already have one of our foot packs on and installed, as well as our locking end cap there. So we're going to show you how to put the last one together and then how we install it onto our crossbar. We're going to start by taking the actual foot pack and we're going to undo this bolt here. With that removed, we'll take our clamp and we're just going to place it over the top. We'll take our bolt and we're going to start to tighten that down once again. We don't want to tighten it down too much because we will need to tighten it down so that it secures onto our roof. We'll then slide this nut here into the channel of our crossbar. And before we secure that in place, we're going to remove the bottom part. This just pops right off. And we're going to attach the rubber bottom. We'll squeeze each end together, making sure that all the holes have been closed. Once we know that's completely sealed, we can take it, making sure that the arrow on the plastic part of our foot pack is facing towards the outside or towards the clamp. And we want to make sure that our arrows on the rubber portions are facing the same way, which will be out away from us. We'll secure that down. Now we can measure our overhang. We'll take our flat tape measure. We're going to measure this strip here. We're going to have that at 15.5 centimeters. With that in place, we'll take our included torque tool and we're going to tighten down this bolt here, and that's just going to hold our foot pack in place on our crossbar. Then I like to double check that measurement just to make sure it didn't move. Now we can take our locking end cap for our crossbar. We're going to place this on, and then we can take that included tool and lock that down. Now we'll open up our vehicle doors and we can take our crossbar and load that up, pulling it across to our side. Now we'll just go to the other side and make sure it's sitting in the correct spot. Now we'll go to our instructions and check out the measurement that we need for the crossbar spread, and we'll start to tighten these down. We're going to measure from the center of the front foot pack to the center of the back. We're going to have 66 centimeters. We want to make sure we measure both sides so that we know that it's completely accurate and straight across. Now we can take our included tool once again and tighten down this bolt here. I'm going to tighten it down so that my clamp sits just up against my door frame. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Now we'll go back and forth to each side, tightening it down evenly. I do about 5 to 10 turns on each side, go to the opposite side and do the same amount until we have that completely tightened down. You'll see the skinnier part on our torque tool has straightened out. That's when you know that we have enough torque behind the bolt and it's completely tightened down. Once again, we want to make sure we do the same thing to the other side. Now we'll close up our doors and place on our locking end caps. Our locking end caps are going to help to prevent any theft or tampering of our roof rack system. The crossbar end caps are going to help to prevent any theft or tampering of any channel mounted accessories up there. Now with our roof rack completely secured down and our end caps placed on and locked into place, we're ready to load up our gear and hit the road. And that's going to be our completed look at the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack on our 2017 Toyota Camry.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.